Welcome back to Nana's Cook and Craft Corner, and on this video I will be showing you how to transform toilet paper rollers into these ephemera holders. You will start out by using 3 toilet paper rolls. Then you'll slice it in half, spray some sanitizer, and dry them flat so they look like. You will cut them in to one is a 4 1/4 by 4. The second one will be 4 1/4 by 3 1/4, and the third for the top will be 4 1/4 by 1 3/4. Okay, the next step you're going to be doing is the smaller piece that is 4 1/4. Here's the sizes right here for you. I've listed here on this piece of paper. You want the edges, because this is the top section right here. So we're going to take anything that circular. I use this acrylic paint bottle, but anything that will form a circle edge, or if you have a punch, that's great. So I'm going to take it and let's do the best we can at a round corner edge to it. Again. Alright, there it is. And I'm going to trim this off, just the corners to make them even. Right there. Alright, let's see. As long as they look even. The edges was a little off, but there we go. As long as they look even. We're going to find some paper to put it on. What do we like? And I thought this would be kind of cool as long as they fit. But you have to turn it upside down so that this will show up on it. So we're going to take pieces, make sure they all fit on it. So let's see. I have some couple of ideas here too. I like this too, if I can get this on it. I think I'll stick to this paper. Here. I'll get all the lid on here. Alright, so we're gonna put these pieces on, and I used a tacky glue for this. Burnish it on here. Alright, we're going to do this to all of the 3 sections. This way. It's going to go this way. I'm trying to make sure that it's placed the right way, so when it flips over, you'll see the writing. We're going to cut all these pieces out. Okay, so once you got it cut out, you want to figure out what side you want to see, like really nice paper. So I want to put this nice paper on the front here. So we'll see where we're going to want it. If we want that in the corner. And I'm going to flip it like this, and it's going to have to get glued on right there, like on that corner right here. flower here, so I'm going to put it as close to the corner as I can. And we're going to burnish it down again, just like the other side. Alright, so we're going to do all the 3 pieces and let it dry for a bit before I cut it out. Okay, the next thing we're going to be doing is putting the latch here to tie it down. But we'll put the string on after. So I'm going to punch a 3/4 inch punch out of the paper I was using. A couple of these. So they'll go basically sit here and here. We will put the string on after. But I also want to add a little flower to it. So we're going to go, and I'm going to take some cardstock here, 2 of these for my punch. But technically you can use any kind of design you want. At the end of this video I'll show you all the ones I've made so far. So I'm going to put these 2 flowers together. Here. Hole where you want it in the center. So right, like centered here somewhere. And you're going to do the same to the bottom. Now I'm going to ink the edges all the way around. Of course you don't have to, but I just love the look of this. I love it. It makes it look like a vintage. And there's the back of this. So I'm going to do both because you are going to see the flop of this when you open it up. So we're going to ink all the edges. There we go. By inking the edge, it definitely makes it look more vintage, more defined. Looks cool. Oops, it's going to be connected by lace. This beautiful lace here I have here. So we're going to go by the inside, and I'm going to make sure it sits right. Put some glue here on the top edge, the back. A nice glue here, and we're going to take white lace. This is at least probably 1.5 inches lace, 1.25 inches, and we're going to just leave a space. We're going to make this even, and we're going to let it dry, and then we'll come across after once it's dry, and we'll trim the edges down. So I'm just going to make sure you can see this, but I want to, when it folds, to have that space, so then it folds over like that. You want the space. There we go. You will need a craft paper that is 2.5 inches by 12. That's just enough to cover the 2 sides. You might have a little extra. And we're going to take that craft paper and score it at 1/4 inch. and another 1/2 inch. So basically you have a 1/4 inch on this side and a 1/4 inch on that side, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 1/2 inches. And we're gonna fold it like an accordion. Back and forth. All right, we're going to take this piece and we're going to glue it, the edges on both sides of it, right here to here, and trim it off. All right, I got some cord, baker's twine, a thicker one, and we're going to go underneath here. We'll tie it up. Couple knots. Up. Make sure it goes around here. And put a little glue on here to put it down if you want. I'm just going to add a ball clip in here. I put a couple little tags on here. And put some more in here on the side. And there you have it. There, how cute is that? And you can put whatever you want, ephemera in here. And I wanted to show you some other ones I made over here. So here's one style. And here's another style, which actually you don't have to use it just for ephemera. You can actually put, I made this for a special person. There's coins in here. And we'll just close that up. I don't want to say it. This video is going to come out later because I don't want her to know yet. And these are Christmas, so I put all my Christmas little stickers in here. In this one. Oop, hang on a minute. Okay. And look at how many stickers that fits. It's amazing how much stuff these little pockets, these little holders fit. It's amazing how much these little holders fit. So here's, and I got this one here. And for the pet lovers, here's another one. Another coin. And another one right here for Christmas. Just in time. These make little great gifts. Plus, they're a perfect size to send in the mail to somebody. Stuff it with a little card or whatever. And it fits perfectly in an envelope. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Have a great day. Bye from Nana.